So I got to sing this song live here pretty soon in my band, and I just love singing this stuff. It's super fun. Not always the easiest to do, but in this particular song, trying to grab a hold of as much of his kind of quality of voice as I can, because it's kind of correcting, but it's also just kind of fun. So if you listen to Bon Scott's voice, it was super up here, and it sounded very high. And if you grew up with Rocco's Modern Life like I did, Laundry Day is a very dangerous day, which is also Australian, you'd hear that he's kind of up here, and he's got a little bit of this kind of quality to his voice. So hanging on to that, and putting that through mix and everything makes it, I don't know, dude, it's just more fun. So I'm going to do this song. I was going to do a piece of it, maybe just put a short of it up, but then I was like, I'll just do the whole song because I got to get to know it anyway, and it's super fun. So here we go.